holiday enthusiasts, ever wondered how to whip up the perfect cup of eggnog? Or maybe, is it actually good for you? Let's dive into the creamy world of eggnog, where tradition meets a surprising splash of health. So picture this. It's a chilly evening, the fire's crackling, and you're holding a glass of homemade eggnog. Trust me, once you try this, you'll never go back to store-bought. Here's how I make it. Grab 4 eggs. Yep, classic eggnog calls for the real thing. Whisk them up with half a cup of sugar until it's nice and creamy. Then, slowly add 2 cups of milk and a cup of heavy cream. Keep whisking so it's super smooth. Now, for the magic, add a pinch of nutmeg, a splash of vanilla, and if you're feeling festive, a little rum or bourbon. Chill it in the fridge for at least an hour and voila, you've got yourself a holiday treat. But wait, exciting news ahead. Eggnog isn't just tasty, it's got some surprising health perks. Eggs are packed with protein and vitamins like B12 and D. Nutmeg and cinnamon, they're anti-inflammatory and can boost your mood. And that little bit of dairy, hello calcium. Of course, this is an indulgence, so sip it slow, savor every creamy drop, and share it with friends. Want a lighter version? Swap in almond milk, or skip the booze. Eggnog is as flexible as your holiday spirit. So this season, gather your loved ones, raise that glass, and toast to health, happiness, and a homemade eggnog that'll make your holidays unforgettable. Cheers!
For more healthy diets tips, kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel.